me she a free. I got mommy looking right at me. Yeah, come through with your friends, I got my cheese. And we gon' give you everything you need if you work it. If you work it on me, if you work it. Yeah, know you want that Gucci, you gon' get it if you work. Know you want that Louis, you gon' get it if you work. Yeah.
Yo, what's happening? What's cracking, yo? It's Hopo. It's Hopo, the treasure hunter. You know how we moving, man. If it makes no money, it makes no sense. Yes, you heard that right. And the video I made is long. Yeah, right now I think I'm gonna focus on long ass crazy videos currently. It's good though. So, without me wasting time, let me take it to the vid. Okay. Boom. What up? Have my notes as always. You know, I realized like it seems like I'm reading my notes. Then I don't understand what I'm saying. You know, because on the last video I was supposed to say automatic. I was busy saying automotive. How crazy. What is automotive first of all? Because I don't know. Automotive, that's what I was saying, and I was supposed to say automatic. Instead automatic. I was supposed to say that. Bear with me, I'm sorry, my bad. But right there I was saying automatic. You know, you could see by the topic, like it was like, what the hell, what is Hopo saying? Yeah, well, anyway, bear with me, I'm sorry, my bad. So anyway, it's another day. Okay. Done with brokers. Now we're jumping in. Now we're jumping into the favorite, not the favorite part, the part you've been waiting for. Fuck my lighting, I hate it. But yes. Whoa, what's the topic? I need to say fuck. So, cause my lighting is busy doing cock. So it's saying, what is the topic? The topic is types of trading. Types of trading. Okay. How many types of trading we have? We have two. We have two types of trading. One, fundamental. Two, technical analysis. Fundamental analysis and technical analysis. So, we're gonna start with fundamental. Yeah, boy? Yeah. What are we looking at when we look at fundamental analysis? Okay, I'm gonna answer that. When we're looking at fundamental analysis, we're looking at whose economy is doing well and whose economy is not doing well. Yes. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking at. That's fundamental. Yeah, but that's fundamental analysis. There's a lot like, but checking what's happening, how to check whose economy is doing well, whose economy is not doing well. You can jump into like the political things, you know, economy, all those, what's happening in the country, you know, those things. Yeah, boy. So you're asking yourself, why is it like that? Like, why is fundamental why is fundamental explained or defined like this? Like looking at whose economy is doing good and whose economy is not doing well. Yeah, bro. So you're asking yourself, why is that? Ne? The answer to that is that if the country's economy is doing well, that means also the currency is doing pashash well. Okay? That's what it means. So explaining it further, is that so as the economy is getting better, yeah, or is going well, the interest rate, yeah, go up, gets higher to control inflation. As a result, yeah, well, as a result, the value of the currency like continues to grow, to go up, to increase, to what's this? Ascend. That's what happens with the economy. Yeah, bro. So if the economy is good, everything is good, meaning the currency it's fine. Let's hope that makes sense. Or should I repeat? Okay, even though I don't like repeating myself, let me make it make sense. So, as the economy gets better, interest rates, yeah, gets high to control the inflation, and as a result, yeah, the value of the currency continues to increase. Yeah, well, if the economy is good or gets better. Okay. I think that makes sense because to me it does. Someone was saying it did not make sense. I read it 3 times, but it didn't make sense. Now it makes sense. 4th. Trading number 2, which is technical analysis. Technical analysis, it's a lot. A lot of people love it. Yeah, but a lot of people like technical analysis. Like a lot of people do love technical analysis. Blah, blah. Why? It's because it looks easy. If someone is doing it, it's not like this, like the fundamental where you're supposed to go to check the country's economy, check what's this thing, political things. What's this? I'm forgetting something. If you check with your own fundamental, or going to Forex factory, you know, those kind of things, man. You know, if you don't know, for now, hold it. Focus on 2, technical and fundamental. Now I'm on technical. I don't know how I did that. How stupid. So anyway, technical analysis, yeah, bro. So this is a study of price movement. Yes, price movement. You just open the chart, you look at it, you see what's happening. But as a beginner, not knowing what to look for, because the only thing you know right now is just brokers, I guess. So we have technical also. So this one you have to it's the study of price movement. Yes. So you're asking yourself, what do I mean the study of price movement? So what happens, technical traders, or a technical trader is gonna be looking at the historical price movement. Yeah, bro. Then he or she or they determine where the price will go. Yeah, bro. Yes. That's what happens in technical analysis. Also, you can identify trends. 1. You can and patterns. Just by looking at the charts, you identify trends and patterns just by looking at the trends. No, at the charts. Why am I saying trends? You identify, but you have to identify a trend. You have to identify. I said trend in what? Yeah? Trend. I don't want to look at my notes. I can't forget this one. Nah, I forgot. But by just looking at the charts though. Yes. But I'm keep on forgetting. I don't know why, man. And it's a stupid word. Why did I forget pattern? The hell, man. So it's a pattern. It's a trend. Just by looking at the thing. At the charts. Now it looks like I don't know what I'm talking about. You see now how crazy, how stupid is that? But anyway, it's fine. But what's key, the reason my brain now, I see why it's focusing more on trend. It's because the trend, it's key. Why? It's because you can find a trend, yeah, bro. You can find a trend and then follow the trend. Trade with the trend, yeah, bro. The direction of the trend, you have to trade with it. If it's uptrend, you go for uptrends, which means you buy. Which if it's downtrend, it means you sell. The market goes down, yeah, bro. What else? Okay, which now the question I used to ask, and maybe you asking yourself, because I mentioned two trading types of trading. I mentioned two types of trading. When now maybe you asking yourself, which one is better? What you need to, the answer to that is this. You don't need one, you need both, because you need to be able to use both of them effectively. That's what you need in this industry, in this market. You need to know both technical and fundamental analysis, both of them. Why? I'm gonna tell you why. Because let's say it happens you using technical analysis. There are people that use technical analysis alone and they are good with that, they are mastering that, whatever. No, they are not mastering it. Okay, sharp, we can say they are mastering it, it's fine, yeah, but why I'm saying you need to use both of them effectively, it's because if let's say you're using technical, you jump in, read the charts, trend, patterns, whatever. You do your strategy, yeah, you write your things. You check your downtrend, uptrend, whatever. The way you analyze, it doesn't matter. Then it happens. It happens, Gucci, on the other side, meaning the fundamental or whatever. It happens that while you execute a trade, the fundamental goes against your trend or your analysis. Why am I saying okay, goes against the trend, or or the analysis. It goes like, maybe you said it's gonna be a downtrend, then fundamental, something happens to the economy, whatever happens, then what happens is this: the chart decides to go up 80 pips or 30 pips or 20 pips or whatever pips, and when you went all in with the downtrend, yeah, then what's going to happen? You're going to be like, because you're gonna be confident with what, like, you're gonna be confident with, okay, everything's good, I checked. Remember with technical, you check the price movement history, yeah, then you check, then you see, good, okay, it's been respecting this trend line. No, it's been respecting this this zone. I'm still gonna talk about zone relax. It's been respecting this, yeah, your analysis. Then you jump in. When you jump in, only to find out something happened with the fundamental. You did not confirm on the fundamental. I think I can put it like this. You can confirm on the fundamental, or you can confirm on the technical. You can confirm on the technical, or you can confirm on the fundamental. Yeah, you can analyze using technical, then confirm on the fundamental. Or you can analyze using fundamental, then confirm on the technical. Vice versa. It's just vice versa. Yeah, why I'm saying you need to be able to use both effectively is because it may seem like they don't need each other. To other people, they don't need each other. But there's a debate on that, yeah, but according to my understanding, you need both. I need both. Yeah, yes, I need both. You need both. I think it's up to you if you want to go for technical or fundamental. Because, like I said, technical makes the market look easy. Yes, it makes the market to look easy. and easy to understand, especially if you start knowing the names of the candlesticks or the candlestick patterns. Then I don't know why I said that, it's too early for me to say that, but then you're going to understand what is happening in the technical. Then when you go to the fundamental, it's a little bit tricky because you have to check the economy, those kind of things, like I said at first. But for me, they need each other. No, you need to know them effectively both now. Types of chats. We have 3, yeah? But I want you to focus on one, which is a candlestick chat. We have 3. We have linear chat. We have line chat. I'm used to saying linear, I don't know why. So we have a bar chat, we have a line chat, we have a candlestick chat. Correct? Okay, now I need you to focus on the candlestick bar chat. Candlestick chat. Why am I saying bar? There's a bar chat. So you focus on the candlestick chat. Okay, pretty much just saw a text saying something about bar. So your focus is gonna be on the candlestick chart. Why? For you, a beginner, it is easy first to interpret. It's easy to interpret this one. The candlestick chart. It's the one that we see, like it's the one like we used to this chart. It's easy peasy, easy crispy. The line chart, I'm struggling. A lot of people they're gonna struggle to trade using this one. And for a budget problem, it's it needs you to dwell more into Forex. Okay, you're going to, but it needs you to understand it a lot. It's just it's the same thing, eh? No, nothing changes. It's just the problem is reading it, because the opening, because it has a vertical line, then it also has two horizontal lines. So now you're going to have a problem with that. So that's what I'm saying. Let's focus on what we know, so that when you ask, I'm gonna be able to answer. Because if you open a chat or a bad chat, then man, I'm supposed to go and understand what's happening there. It's not rocket science, but let's focus on one thing, which is candlestick chat. People are gonna be talking about candlesticks when you want to talk bars. You won't be making sense to other people, or to people that you want help from. Yeah, you can try to be smart about it, but it's the same. Yo, listen, I'm not saying this is not the same. It's the same thing. Okay? It's the same. What's this thing? It's the same news, same currency pair. It's the same everything. What's different is the chat. That's what's different. That's the difference. You are on Forex. You are not on stocks or features or whatever. You are doing Forex. So it's the same everything. As long as we're opening the same currency pair, we're trading the same currency pair, it's the same. It's just that what's different, it's how you going to maybe read the chat, or the chat, because it's what I understand about the candlestick chart, it has to do with bars. It's just a bar. It opens here, it closes at the top. It has wicks. Also, the bar candlestick also has wicks. But now here's the thing: candlestick, not a candlestick, a bar chart has one line this side, has one line this side. If it's what do they call this thing? It's an uptrend. Even if it's a downtrend, it's gonna still look at the same. You just need to understand, it opened at the top, it closed down. If it opens here, it's gonna close there if it's an uptrend. If it opens at the top and closed down, it means it's a downtrend. I nearly said a low trend. I don't know why. How crazy. Yeah, boy. So it's gonna be easy because it's It's what everyone knows, understands, familiar with. So you're gonna like look at it and understand it immediately. The chat, you understand me? So like I'm saying, let's just focus on the candlestick chat. That's all. Yeah. So candlesticks now, like I said, they have names. Candlesticks now, candlesticks and candlestick patterns and candlesticks have names. Why they have names? It's because they're gonna help you remember what the pattern means. Yes, I was gonna say one day, but we're not there. We're not doing that currently. We're not. Remember? Yes. So also candlesticks, they are good at identifying market turning points. They are good. It's easy, to identify the turning point of the market. So this is my last point. So the revealing there, or like it reveals, it's easy, like it reveals like the uptrend, or what's this thing, a downtrend. It reveals an uptrend to a downtrend, vice versa. It's easy. For now, just know that we have two. What's this thing? We have two types of trading. Yes, fundamental, technical. Then we're also supposed to focus on one chat, which is candlestick chat. Forget about other chats. Obvious, when you open MetaTrader 5, when you open MetaTrader 4, when you open whatever chat you're going to open that has to do with Forex, you're going to find a lot of chats. Okay? You're going to find these three. Line chat, bar chat, candlestick chat. You're going to find these three. Your focus is candlestick pattern. That's all. Don't focus on anything else when you open a chat. Because I know right now, we're starting to jump in. You feel me? We're starting to know what's going to happen. If you open a chat, just know. When you're reading the chat, trying to see what's happened, it's history. While you're looking at the chat, you are on technical. When you're looking at the country's economy, trying to figure out the currency, what's happening, that's fundamental. Yes. So, that's it for this vid. We're going to jump into another vid and try to go a little bit deep to what we're supposed to know. Alright? Yes. It's whole power right here, the treasure hunt. You know how we moving, man. I'm gone.